So today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com. And in case you didn't know, Beebeecraft is a crafting company and they have all kinds of different craft supplies, including stuff for jewelry, as well as a lot of different silicone molds. And I'm going to be making a tray mold that they sent me. So please go check them out. I'm gonna have in the video description links for their main website as well as everything that they've sent me. And my discount code will also be in the description, which is Ellison10.
Stockings hung by the fireplace, warm embrace in every place. Laughter rings from night to day, making memories in every way. I hope you have the best Christmas ever, filled with magic that lasts forever. May your heart be light and free, wrapped in love for all to see. Gingerbread houses, candy canes, carol song and joyful refrains. Every wish upon a star brings us closer, near or far. Feel the magic in the air, twinkling lights are everywhere. May your days be merry bright, underneath the starry night. I hope you have the best Christmas ever, filled with magic that lasts forever. May your heart be light and free, wrapped in love for all to see. Feel the magic in the air, twinkling lights are everywhere. May your days be merry bright, underneath the starry night. I hope you have the best Christmas ever, filled with magic that lasts forever. May your heart be light and free, wrapped in love for all to see. All to see, all to see.
So if you're interested in doing videos for them, Beebeecraft has a YouTube program which I'm participating in today. And basically, if you have over 100 subscribers and you have engagement and other criteria that are met, then you can apply to be in the program and they will send you products to review and you just do videos for them. So it's definitely a great program. If you're interested, I'm going to put the link down below.
Twinkle lights winding all around. Happiness is the only sound. Joy fills the air so bright and grand. We dance and sing, hand in hand in this wonderland. We stand, wishing cheer to all the land. Children laughing as they play in the snow. Smiles sparkle with the holiday glow. Frosty breath in the moonlight's flow. Hearts warm on this festive show. Joy fills the air so bright and grand. We dance and sing, hand in hand in this wonderland. We stand, wishing cheer to all the land.
So it's the next day and I'm going to, because this is not quite filled up, I'm going to go ahead and add a small layer of polyurethane to the back.
Hand in hand in this wonderland we stand, wishing cheer to all the land.
Okay, so it's been about a half an hour. You only have to really wait 10 minutes with the polyurethane, but you only really need to wait like 10 minutes with polyurethane, but I wanted to give it a little extra time. So I'm very excited to see how this came out. I do see I have a little ridge here, so I have to just sand that down after. Okay. Alright, so this part didn't work exactly as I planned. I could just get some paint and fix that up, and then the milk, but I like that it's a different color.
The lights are twinkling and the streets are bright. Snow is falling on this night. Turn the music up real loud. Join the festive dancing crowd. Jingle bells are ringing clear. Catch the rhythm, feel the cheer. Everybody's hearts aligned. Grooving to the beat we find. Frosty windows filled with glow. Happy faces in the snow. Sing along the joy we make. Every step a memory to take. Jingle bells are ringing clear.
I'm just touching this up a little
Feel
bit.
the cheer. Everybody's hearts aligned. Grooving to the beat we find. Holly's hung on every door. Candles lighting up the floor. Dance until the morning sun. Celebrate, 'cause winter's fun. Jingle bells are ringing clear. Catch the rhythm, feel the cheer. Everybody's hearts aligned. Grooving to the beat we find.
So here it is outside. I really do love how it came out. I think it looks great, and I hope you do too. The only thing I would say is that when I went to put the top coat on, this kind of came through on the bottom. So I don't know if I'd recommend doing it the way that I did it, but I think it gives it some character. So I went ahead and just sanded this, just a little extra decoration on the back. I think if I wanted a smooth backing, I would definitely go with either some tape or PVA glue on the back of the piece instead of putting it back in the mold. But I do like how it came out on the back too, so I think it's kind of cool. It's definitely unique. So that's that part, and then over here it says Santa. And the front I am very happy with. I think it came out great. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and thank you to Beebeecraft for sending me these products. So definitely go check them out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.